Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your education skills and languages to your profile on the Bayt.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the profile button down below, and after that scroll down till you find the education section. Tap on add education, then indicate your degree, then your university that you have attended, then choose a country, a city, your major. After that, your graduation date and your grade 2. Add your description, such as your projects, achievements, activities that you have completed during your tasks, into this blank white box. After adding all these details about your education, click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen to update this section. As you scroll down, you can also add your top 5 specialties. Here you should type it in and then add it to this section. You can also add your skills. Type in the skill itself and then choose the level, beginner, intermediate or expert. Click on the button Save in the upper right corner to save it. And as you go back to the section, you can also add your languages and the level 2. Tap on Save in order to save these infos. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.